Want to make booking a demo as seamless as a conversation? Today, I'll show you how to integrate Calendly with Charla's AI Chatflows. This allows your customers to check your real-time availability and book a meeting directly within the chat widget. While we're using Calendly today, remember, you can use this same logic for any calendar or tool with REST API support. Before we dive in, make sure you have your Calendly account ready. You'll need a personal access token to allow Charla to talk to Calendly securely. First, let's grab two specific pieces of information from Calendly: your access token and your event ID. Head over to your Calendly account, go to the integration section, and search for API. Click on the connector and generate your personal access token. Copy this. We'll need it in a moment. Next, we need the event ID for the specific meeting you want to offer, like your 30-minute demo. To get this, you can use a tool like Postman or a simple curl command. First, make a request to the Calendly API using your token to retrieve your user ID. Once you have that, perform a second call to list your events. Find the event you want and copy its unique ID. Now, let's head over to Charla Navigate to AI Chatflows and create a new flow using the meeting template. This is where the magic happens. Next, go to the Get Available Slots connector and input your event details. In the Get query, change the event UUID with the event ID you grabbed from Postman. Add your personal authentication token. The start time and end time are automatically updated using the flow action we have in the flow, so we don't have to worry about that. Let's change them here, just to make sure the connection works. You should be getting a list of available slots from the API. The second flow action here gives instruction on how to replace the start and end time before making the API call, and how to present the output of the API. You'll do the same for the book meeting event. This tells Charla exactly which calendar to check and which event type to book. Let's see it in action on the live widget. As a customer, I'll simply ask to book a meeting. The AI chat flow instantly triggers, fetches the available slots from Calendly, and presents them right here in the chat. The user picks a time, provides their details, and just like that, the meeting is booked. That's it. You've just built a fully automated booking flow. This not only saves you time, but provides a frictionless experience for your customers. And remember, because Charla is flexible, you can apply this same approach to almost any service with a REST API.